Continue the coverage of this historic and stunning vote out of Britain. The numbers on Wall Street fluctuating after the closing bell. The bell just rang. We will keep you posted on that.
Yeah, right now we want to go ahead and turn to Eyewitness News reporter Tim Fleischer with much more on exactly what this vote means for your money. Tim.
The stock market hasn't calmed down at all today, and it is certainly made for one very nervous investor. The opening bell signaled an immediate downward spiral of the market. The Dow plunging more than 500 points in the opening minutes.
Markets don't like uncertainty, and this is a big uncertainty, what happens from here. So markets tend to sell off in that circumstance.
Richard Bregman, CEO of MJB Asset Management, like many in the stock market, was expecting a market drop if Great Britain, as it did, voted to leave the European Union. President Obama speaking of the historic events this afternoon.
A few hours ago, I spoke with Prime Minister David Cameron. We agreed that our economic and financial teams will remain in close contact as we stay focused on ensuring economic growth and financial stability.
Back on Wall Street, there are cautious concerns.
I suppose it's very unclear at the moment what the full implications will be.
Ulrich Knox, a communications manager in the UK, sees the immediate market effects, but believes there are many others that are unknown.
I assume there'll be a lot of multinationals here based in the US, in Europe, Ireland, the UK, working out what that actually means for them over this period of the next 2 to 3 years.
For average investors who have brokerage accounts or 401ks, the drop is nevertheless unsettling.
We just have to wait and see what happens, but definitely uneasy.
How does it affect your 401k? Did you look today?
I haven't. I don't think I want to.
Mike Meehan has seen his 401k spike up and down many times.
When the event occurred in Greece, some things came back, so you just have to be patient.
And amongst traders at the stock exchange,
global stocks theoretically could continue to soften as we continue to do the analysis on exactly what's going to be at risk.
But as we have seen with previous market drops, Richard Bregman expects to see it rise.
There are more people getting out right now than are staying in, but there are certainly going to be entry points going down the road for investors. There's no doubt about that.
Coming up on Eyewitness News at 5, analysts also have some helpful information, some advice at times like this, and we'll also check in with other investors to see how they are coping. That's on Eyewitness News at 5. Reporting live on Wall Street, Tim Fleischer, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.
Tim.